Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to finish up, I think, the series that we've been working on for gifts for coworkers. But we are going to finish up today with a little candy jar. We decorated one very similar to this for Halloween. And it is just a little jar. You can get it Dollar Tree, which is really nice. And we are going to put If Only Sarcasm Burned Calories from the little Sass collection of stencils from couture. And we are going to do it in white ink today because I think that'll show up really well with candy on the inside. So, and I don't have to fuzz it because it's on glass and it should just pop right off. If I can just get it centered. There. Like where that is. So I want to basically burnish, for those of you who are used to doing paper. Especially around the words in the design, because we don't want it to leak underneath. You can hear the big baby playing with his toy that he just found. It's not like it was gone anywhere, he just found it. So, take this. Ugh. Can get this all over me. Hang on just a second. Okay, now that I got that fixed. I just needed to get the top off a little bit better. So we are going to use white ink. Remember, ink, we can, once it dries, we're just going to put it in the oven. Then once it's in the oven, we turn the oven on to 250. And there's different amounts. I've found 250 works. Other people say it's a different temperature. But for me, 250 has worked in the past. So you let it come up to temperature. Let it stay at that temperature for 20 minutes. And then you simply turn it off and let it cool in the oven. Don't take it out. Just let it come to complete cool in the oven. And ta-da, it is permanent. Now it can scratch off, just like any silkscreen can, any ink can scratch off of a mug. But there is our adorable little saying. If only sarcasm burned calories. I'm going to have to clean that up just a hair. But that is our little saying. I'm going to fill it with some Christmas candies in the bright colors. And that will be our final little gift. I'll put all the stuff together on Saturday. We will have the video will be completely, all of them, all zhuzhed up with all of their little toppings and things in it, and be ready to show you what they look like to give. But keep in mind, this costs almost nothing to make. It is the use of a stencil that is a multi-use thing. Tiny, tiny, tiny little bit of ink that costs about $10 for a whole container, and I spend pennies of it because this will last me. I've had it probably 6 months. Now, I don't use a lot of white, but it'll last a good while. And our little jar, which was $1 at Dollar Tree. The candies, depending on where I get them, it won't be more than $2 or $3 at the most. And we have an adorable little gift for someone that we can just hand over without really worrying too much about it, but it is handmade and that's a little extra from you. So I hope you enjoy it. I will have the materials listed in the description, and I will see you again on Saturday to preview all the things that to review all the things that we've made. And you can see how easy and simple it was and go back and look at any playlist. So thanks for coming. Again, I am Jeannie and this is DIY with Jeannie. And thank you for spending your time with me. Give me a like.